Hello, it is Vanna from Cheap Nails. If you stay frugal with your next manicure, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do my own French manicure. Now, this is just the way that I do my French manicures at home, and I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get started. First thing to do, I'm going to go ahead and apply my base coat to my nails. I've already prepped my nails to be painted, and if you want to see a video on that, I'll link one up in the corner up there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Believe Beauty base coat, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. It's always very important that we apply base coat before we do anything with our nails, because base coat protects our natural nail and it helps nail polish stick and makes our manicures last longer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. I like this Believe Beauty base coat that I got from Dollar General. I mean, I got it on sale for like 50 cents. Isn't that a great deal? But I do like the Believe Beauty nail polishes. They're very cheap and affordable, but they're very beautiful and they work very well. So after my base coat has dried, I'm going to go ahead and grab my strapping tape, because I'm going to have a straight white line across my nail. So I thought, why not grab some striping tape and make sure that that white line is very straight across my nail. Well, I sometimes like to just freehand the white French tip of a French manicure, but I thought today, I'm gonna make that white line very straight. So I just grabbed some striping tape and just laid it across my nail, and now I'm gonna grab one of my favorite cheap white nail polishes, which is the Kiss Gel Shine White Nail Polish. It's not gel at all, it's just plain white nail polish. I don't know why it says gel in the bottle, I don't know, but it's just plain white nail polish. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paint the white tip on, and make sure you cap your free edge so your manicure will last longer. And I made sure that white nail polish did not go past the blue striping tape, because that will mess up the straight line, and we don't want that. Alright, after we've painted out our white tip, we're going to let that fully dry, and then I'm going to grab my Believe Beauty French Kiss Sheer Pinky polish. That is just the normal polish for French tips. I don't know why, it's just a sheer pink polish that you use. This Believe Beauty French Kiss is just perfect for French manicures, so I was so glad that I found it at Dollar General for only 50 cents. Yeah, all this Believe Beauty stuff was on sale. It was great. So I'm going to go ahead and paint one coat of that on and make sure I cap the free edge. And if you're like me and you paint it very messy and you get it all over your skin, all you have to do is grab a toothpick. You can just wipe that, wipe it right off. Since I don't know, I just felt messy today when I was painting. I was just like, oh, I just get it everywhere. And there we go. And then we're gonna let that completely dry. I'm gonna go ahead and paint that sheer pinky polish on the rest of my nails just to complete this French manicure. Now you can also DIY this pink polish if you do not have a sheer pinky polish. All you have to do is add some clear polish to some pink polish, and then it makes it that clear pinky polish. Alright, after that I'm going to go ahead and grab my top coat to fully finish off this French manicure. I mean, it looked almost perfect after you painted the sheer pink polish on. Now it's just going to be finished after we get the top coat on. So I'm going to go ahead and add one coat of top coat to my nails. Now you can do another coat of that sheer pinky polish if you want it to look a little more opaque, but I really love the sheer pink look, so I only do one coat of the pink. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab my favorite makeup cleanup brush, which is the Wet n Wild cleanup brush, and I'm going to grab some 100% acetone, and I'm going to just clean up around my nails, because I'm kind of messy when I go to paint my nails, so I just went ahead and just kind of cleaned up around my nails with just some acetone. I really love this Wet n Wild cleanup brush. I'll put the link in the description box down below if you would like to check it out, because it is perfect for cleaning around your nails. And I will also link everything I use down in the description box down below too. Alright, so that is how I do my French manicures. Very simple, very easy, and I just do it with just 2 products, and I think it turns out great. Of course, if you don't like the pink so sheer, you can paint another coat of the pink on, but this is how I just love to do my French manicures. I think it is so beautiful. And another thing that I like to do is sometimes I make the white tip at the end of my nail very, very thin, and you can make a razor thin French tip, and it's beautiful. I went a little thick on this tip, but you can also do that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you liked it. Please subscribe down below for more awesome content, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so glad you took this time with me.